Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. Finally, ICAI has announced about the new schema, new course. It is applicable from May 2024 onwards. Now in this video, I'll be explaining you the structure of this new schema, how you can enter into CA course as per this new scheme, and what will be the stages that you have to pass through to complete CA course. This I'll be explaining you in this video. First of all, you can join CA course through two routes. One is through foundation route and another one is direct entry route. First of all, to enter into CA course through this foundation route, you have to complete your 10th class examinations. After completing your 10th class examination, you can register with BOS to join the CA course and to give your foundation examination. After registering yourself with BOS, you need to complete class 11th and you should also appear for class 12th examination. Only after appearing for class 12th examination, you can appear for foundation examination. So you can register with BOS after completing class 10th, but to appear in foundation examination, you need to complete your class 11 and you need to appear the examination of class 12th as well. Only after that you can appear in foundation examination. So this way you can enter into CA course through foundation route. Okay. Basically, for to appear in the foundation examination, you need to have 4 months of study duration. From the date of registration, you need to wait for at least 4 months to appear for the foundation examination. And the criteria to register with BOS is 10th class qualification, and to appear in the foundation, you need to complete your class 11 and you should also appear for class 12th examination. This way you can appear in a foundation examination and you can clear your foundation examination. By this, you have completed first stage of CA course, that is through foundation route. Now second route to enter into CA course, that is direct entry route. Now under this direct entry route, you need not write foundation examination. Without writing foundation examination, you can directly appear for CA inter examinations. That is why this is called as direct entry route. Now what are the eligibility to enter into the CA course through this direct entry route? First of all, you should have completed either graduation or post graduation. If you have completed either graduation or post graduation, you need not write foundation examination. Without writing foundation examination, you can directly appear for CA intermediate examination. And there is certain criteria with respect to the percentage of marks that you should secure in your graduation, post graduation. If you have done your graduation or post graduation in the commerce, then you need to secure at least 55%. In case you have done your graduation or post graduation in other than commerce, then you should have secured at least 60% of marks in your graduation or post graduation. If you qualify this criteria, you can join CA course through this direct entry route without appearing for foundation examination. Or if you have qualified intermediate level of CMA, basically CMA examinations will be conducted by Institute of Cost Accountants of India. If you have qualified intermediate level of CMA, or if you have qualified intermediate level of Company Secretary CS, which will be conducted by ICSI, if you have qualified the intermediate level of any of those two courses, even then you are eligible to enter into CA course through this direct entry route without writing foundation examination. Or you are undergoing your graduation or post graduation, and you are in the final year of your graduation or post graduation. Even in that case, you will be eligible to register with BOS on a provisional basis. Okay, if you are in the final year of your graduation or post graduation, you can register provisionally with the institute. Once you have completed your graduation or post graduation, this provisional registration will be converted into normal registration. So if you are qualifying any of these three criteria, then you can join the CA course through this direct entry route without writing foundation examination. Okay, so after qualifying foundation examination, if you have entered into the CA course through foundation route, after qualifying foundation examination, you have to register for intermediate course. In case of direct entry route, you can directly register for intermediate course, CA intermediate course. And once you have registered for CA intermediate course, at least 8 months of study period is required to appear for CA intermediate examination. From the date of registration, at least 8 months of study period is required to appear for CA intermediate examination. And you need to clear both the groups to join articleship. To join training, you need to clear both the groups. Appear in intermediate examination after a study period of 8 months and pass both the groups of intermediate examination. And you should also complete a training by name ICITSS, Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills. As of now, the name of this training is ITT. Okay, and there is no requirement regarding the MCS. In the present course, you need to complete two trainings, right? One is ITT and another one is MCS. But in the new course, there is no requirement related to MCS. You need to complete this ICITSS. After clearing both the groups of CA intermediate and after completing this training, you can join for articleship. Okay, you can register for CA final and you can commence your 2 years of practical training. This is the major change. Earlier in the existing course, you can join your practical training by completing any of the group, but under new scheme, you need to complete both the groups to join practical training. Okay, and the practical training will be for 2 years. Under the existing scheme, it is for 3 years, but now it is 2 years, complete 2 years. There will not be any examination leaves that will be given in this 2 years. Okay, complete 2 years of practical training. After completing the practical training, you can during this practical training itself, you need to qualify certain online module examinations. There will be certain 4 examinations or 4 modules, you can say, that will be that has to be cleared by you. Complete and qualify self-paced online module. There will be 4 modules. You need to complete those modules in the articleship, in the practical training period only. I will be making a separate video regarding this self-paced online module. Okay, after that, you should also complete advanced ICITSS course. After completing your 2 years of practical training and 4 online self-paced modules and advanced ICITSS course, you can appear for final examination. And for final examination, the minimum study period that is required is 6 months. Okay, after completing your practical training for 2 years, next 6 months you need to study for your CA final, and then you can appear your CA final examination. See, appear in final examination 6 months after practical training is completed. So the minimum study time for CA final is 6 months from the date of completion of practical training, and the practical training is for 2 years, complete 2 years. There will not be any leaves for the examination that will be granted. Hope that is clear. Now at this stage, after completion of your practical training, you can also apply for Business Accounting Associate BAA certificate. If you want, you can also apply for this BAA certificate. And after completing the practical training, after completing the study period of 6 months, you can appear for CA final examination, and you can pass both the groups of CA final examination, and after that you will be treated as a chartered accountant. So this is the brief structure of the new course that has been announced by the ICAI. Okay, the new course, it will be officially launched on 1st of July on the CA day. Okay, so this is a brief idea regarding the structure of new course. Hope this video will be useful to you. Take care. Bye bye. See you.